If you've ever bought beautiful plants only to watch them slowly struggle a few weeks later, you are definitely not alone. Sometimes plants don't need more attention, they just need the right nutrients consistently. And this made caring for my plants so much easier. I've been using Osmocote for a couple years, and the difference in my plants as opposed to my neighbors are noticeable. There's more blooms, they look fuller, and grow faster. I love having plants around my house, but I used to feel overwhelmed trying to remember different feeding schedules and products for everything. I wanted something simple that worked for both indoor and outdoor plants without overcomplicating gardening. And honestly, this has become one of my favorite plant care products. I have purchased it over and over throughout the years. This is Osmocote Smart Release Plant Food Plus, and this container contains 2 pounds of granular fertilizer. It contains 11 essential nutrients and feeds plants consistently for up to 6 months. What's really cool is that each granule has a special resin coating that slowly releases nutrients over time, so plants get what they need gradually instead of all at once. It works with houseplants, flowers, vegetables, trees, shrubs, roses, and basically any plant indoor or outdoor. What I personally love is how low maintenance it makes plant care feel. You don't have to mix up anything, you just put it right on the plant. I sprinkle it into my pots and garden beds, water like normal, and my plants just seem happier, fuller, and healthier overall. Takes the guesswork out of fertilizing. And if you're nervous about damaging plants, one thing I appreciate is the no burn pledge when used as directed. It's beginner friendly while still being effective enough for serious plant lovers too. If you want an easy way to support healthier indoor and outdoor plants without complicated routines, I definitely recommend checking this out.